Hello, wonderful followers and subscribers of Holy Ghost Son. I hope this video finds you well. How many of you remember popular singer Osinachi that passed on a couple of years ago? Recall, there were a lot of accusations, accusing the husband of being responsible of her demise. I'm sure some of you remember. The very night the news broke out, I remember Frank Edo was one of those, that busted, that a lot of people had their opinion. And the proof was there that the husband actually was responsible. Her husband, rather. Now, today, the 28th of April 2025, Federal High Court in Abuja has sentenced the man to death. They sentenced him to die, rather. And it's quite heartbreaking because I myself, I reacted against the man then. But however, this is the law. Now, the kids are going to be fatherless, they're going to be fatherless and motherless. I believe definitely they're going to appeal the case. You understand? It is well. Okay, let's just hear. We are going to hear the details of what happened in court, the judgment. We're going to go through it together. All right. But before then, I want us to listen to Verydarkblackman. Remember, the previous day, the 27th of April, 2025, the previous day, one APC secretary will not get sense, will get Chris for head. She said, gave Verydarkman 7 days ultimatum to apologize to Senate President Akpabio and ordered him never to say a word about Pablo Escobar's government again. So today, Verydarkman has apologized to Senate President Akpabio, but in his own way. It is interesting. So I want us to hear Verydarkman's own first. After that, we're going to be listening to the judgment that took place in court today regarding Osinachi's husband. All right, please, before we do this, do me a favor by giving a thumbs up and never to share. Thank you.
All right, so by now I'm pretty sure you people have seen this news that is all over the media where it says APC has given Verydarkman 1 week to apologize to Senate President Akpabio for calling his trip to the Pope's funeral shameful, warning him to stop making activism with slander. To be very honest, a lot of people have called me. Some of them say, I beg you, just apologize to this not Senate President we talk about and all. And after thinking about it, I did not actually plan to insult him or make him feel some type of way. You understand? So if he feels offended or if they feel offended and they request an apology, then it's fine. So first of all, I want to apologize to the people of Benue, to the people of Jos, to the people of Kwara, to the people of Enugu, to the people of Ogun, to the people of Edo State who have been victim of this insurgency and insecurity in Nigeria as a result of these irresponsible leaders that we have. Leaders with misplaced priorities that leave their own people that is dying on their farmlands and traveling to go for funeral of people that don't even know them when they were alive, all because of their political movement. You understand? So I want to apologize on behalf of the irresponsible leaders to these people, because I feel like these are the people that actually need an apology. Since the irresponsible leaders would not apologize, I will apologize on their behalf. Do you understand? People they buy, they kill hundreds of your people. Una no wake up one morning, una go there. President said nothing give statements. Una get mine, they give me 7 days. I want to give you people 7 days to clamp down on all these headsmen attack that is going on in Benue and Jos. Going on in Benue, Jos, Enugu. See that Enugu single mother, now will lose her only picking. I want to give you 7 days to stop this insecurity that is claiming the lives of a lot of people in their farmlands. See what's happening in Bayelsa. See what's happening in Kwara. They just recently kidnapped a woman in Kwara State. Insecurity, they country, una carry una self, they travel, say una go do familiarity with some people who don't care about una. It's a shame. It is a shame. It is a shame. Now, whoever is there, I know the person who draft this letter on behalf of APC. Not be the same you, now they go arrest for a do election where you go wear police uniform, they claim police. It will say they don't detain you. To say they don't lock you for impersonation, because that one are impersonation. Nobody the one where police they carry me, they go court for. No be say I carry their uniform, go rob. No be say I carry their uniform, go steal. Uniform why even wear say not be their own o. But person now when we say go do impersonation now, still dey free. So they write me letter on behalf of APC, say make I go apologize for video what I do. God go punish you. The person who draft that letter, God go punish you. God go punish you. You are very stupid. I no go apologize in the next 7 days. Go and do your worst. You want to serve letter, serve the letter. Go and do. I want to see your worst in the next 7 days. In the next 7 days, I want to really know what you want to do. For freedom of expression. For freedom of speech and expression. Make I go apologize to you now. I want to wait. I want to see the worst that will happen. I'm really curious. People they die everywhere for Nigeria. Una no care. Una they carry on yourself private jets. So I can't go places and they talk. You talk say we are giving you 7 days to apologize. But shameless and disgraceful. Now, and Punch newspaper. Verydarkblackman is becoming notorious for blackmail, slander, and character assassination while pretending to be an advocate for the masses and social crusader. Now, Punch, let me tell you something. The quickest way to fall your brand is by letting all these people use you people to do propaganda or to push a narrative. Do you understand? Now, I want you to understand, you were there for Punch, and all of now on they push all this narrative. I will advise you. It's an advice. First of all, understand where we are in the country. You don't dey for this game since. Me, I just dey come, you never take. But you understand, because number one, a lot of you collect money for what you do. So money drive you. Me, money don't drive me. My own is passion. Do you understand? My own is passion for my country. Don't ever think in your life that you people can push a propaganda against me. Now, me if you push a narrative to spoil what you get. Do you understand? So you cannot compare us. It's not by how long go. It's not by how long. Don't let all these politicians use you to spoil your. They go spoil. I go help you spoil them. I will help you spoil it. You better be careful. Verydarkblackman, every other person reports the news as he did. Reach your turn. Verydarkblackman is becoming notorious for blackmail. If I tell you now, me come prove where I blackmail person. If you prove him, slander and character assassination. Which person character they don't assassinate when no be bad person? Which person character? Are they not irresponsible? God will punish you now what type this thing for Punch. And the person will write this letter, God will punish you. You're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way. Apology my foot. Apology my foot. Don't play, else you're going to learn and you will learn the hard way.
Breaking news. Late gospel singer Osinachi husband sentenced to death by hanging. Justice Wosu Ehime of FCT High Court, who says Zone 2 in Abuja today, April 28, sentenced the husband of the late gospel singer Osinachi Pira, Nwanshuku, to death by hanging. This was after the court found Nwanshuku guilty of culpable homicide, resulting in the death of the celebrated singer on April 8, 2022. While delivering the judgment, Justice Wosu Ehime heard that the prosecution had proven the body of proof placed on it by the law and subsequently found the defendant guilty. Nwanshuku first was arraigned on June 3, 2022 by the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation on behalf of the federal government on a 23-count charge. The charge was on culpable homicide punishable with death, criminal intimidation, cruelty to children, criminal intimidation of children, spouse battery, among others. Okay. The prosecution team presented 17 witnesses, including 2 children of the late Osinachi, who testified as 4th and 5th prosecution witness, PW4 and PW5 respectively. And they know indeed what I mean. The prosecution also tendered 25 documents as exhibit before the court. The defendant testified for the defense and further called 4 other witnesses and tendered 4 exhibits in his defenses. Excuse me. Shortly before sentencing the defendant, Counsel Reynald Uwali in his allocution pleaded with the court to be lenient in this judgment. Similarly, the prosecution counsel, Mrs. Edoroke Imalia, urged the court to give force to the law as stipulated. Delivering his judgment, the presiding judge therefore sentenced Nwachukwu to death by hanging on count 1, while he was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment each on count 2, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, and 18. The court sentenced the defendant to 6 months imprisonment on count 10, 3 years imprisonment in count 11, while he was fined the sum of 800, the form of 5 million and 200,000 respectively on count 6 and 7 respectively. Wow.